Hi guys, in today's video is how to transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Then you have come to the perfect video because in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you could potentially do so, but it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work. Just so you know, at the first step is going to be for us to go into our Sweatcoin app, and as you can see, I'm currently on my Sweatcoin app right here. And if I scroll down here, you will be able to get a couple of options here, as you can see. But let's say that you would like to transfer all of your Sweatcoin money right now to your PayPal instead. Yep, you don't want to keep it in here basically. Well, then to be able to do, so you need to click on this one right here where all your offer is. As you can see, you will be able to get a couple of offers in here that you can actually redeem as you can. So enter now to win like 100 gift card, for example, this one right here. Yep. So what you can actually be able to do here is you can even click here and you will be able to see your balance that you have currently have on your Sweatcoin app right now. But let's say that you want to actually transfer it now to your PayPal. So scroll down in here, then you need to actually find PayPal here, and you need to convert firstly your Sweatcoin money to PayPal or to Amazon. And the easiest way to do is to actually find the PayPal offers. Just so you know, if you can find the PayPal offer, and then you can actually redeem your Sweatcoin to your PayPal. Then from there, you can actually take your PayPal account. Then you can transfer from your PayPal to your. As of right now, this is unfortunately the only way that you can actually do, because Sweatcoin doesn't really allow us to transfer directly into like pay. Yep. So as of right now, at least it's just allow us to actually cash out our sweat coins in like different offers. So the easiest one to actually get is if you can find the PayPal offer. And fortunately, as of now, PayPal doesn't really they don't really offer PayPal that much right now, but hopefully, like the PayPal offers, will start to get like visible in here soon enough. Hopefully, I had I had it a couple of times, but unfortunately, last few like weeks, I haven't really been able to find any PayPal offers in here. But when you do find a PayPal offer, then basically what you need to do is just click on the PayPal offer and then convert your sweat coins into your PayPal, and then from there you should be able to send it to your Cash App. So basically, yep, that is exactly how how to do it. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any question, I will try to answer as many as I can. And also, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.